I think I've been already talking to the audience. I came here in the morning and I was asked to speak in the morning itself. And I spoke, I took a good, I think, a half an hour or more. So I don't know what else I can add. But let me say, this was supposed to be my session. So what I had thought about was that the concept now, because from that age when you went to, that one bulb and one module, this is sort of, we are moving on from there. Yes. Okay, and that is where we have to catch on. And that, that has happened. Now the costs have come down and the acceptance has gone up. Now people have seen modules. In fact, it is really what, as you said earlier, you used to see them very far away, those circular cells, because that time this used to be only those monopanel. Well, I'm also actually, just to set the stage right, these days if you go to a conference, the people say that we are experts if you have been there in the last 2 years, after 2009 was the solar mission. And then if somebody has been there for about 4 to 5 years and they're veterans. So with that definition, me and Dr. Saxena, we are actually fossils.
And in fact, we are actually fossils.
The only good thing is that we have not yet become cynic. Because he is one of those guys, early guys, where the solar cell research was started early on. And India actually started in 70s itself, when after the oil shock of 73, the world started solar, and India thought at that time, the leadership thought that solar is relevant to India, and somehow Indians do relate to solar in a much different way because of the sun god, Suraj Bhagwan. Somehow there is a very positivism, and because of that positivism, the 70s there was funding from the government of India. And by early 80s, there was actually companies which were making these solar cells, 2-inch wafers, the circular wafers were the solar cells, and the modules were made. And early 80s itself, I think the first kilowatt size project was put by the defense. That was 80s itself. And that was the time when the ministry was made. And so the first crop of PhDs which came out it was in early 80s. And I can say with pride that most of these guys are either CEO, CTO of the companies globally. I mean, quite a few of them in US, in Europe I know a few of them, in Australia I know a couple of them, in New Zealand I know a couple of them. So these are the crops which came out. But then somehow, world over, and we take a lot of inputs from US and all, the people say the oil is enough, and in 90s, there was a fashion went out. And once the fashion went out, even the funding for the government funding, the scientific funding went out. And the fashion came to, like things like superconductivity and, some other stuff. And solar got a backseat. So either you will find in India people above 50 type who have done dirties their hand in solar, or you'll find people in their 20s who have done solar. Okay. Middle level, you'll find there's almost like a washout of activities which happened. Fortunately, there were some programs started in some of the universities, and which was very specific, the energy programs, and that did keep on churning some students in energy studies in general, and solar was part of that. And that's the crowd which is available, and when the growth started happening in the 2009, 2010, you could still catch on these people. Or you could catch on the earlier guys who went to public sector, like CEL, BEL, BHEL, okay? So those are the kind of people you could catch on. So having given that our status of being fossils, let me get back to now and catch on to the excitement of what's happening. So now we've moved from these modules, and we are now we're talking megawatts, we're talking hundreds of megawatts, and as you said, if you look at this 200 megawatt solar park in Gujarat, is wonderful. The other one which is even more, I would find it even more attractive, is this Maharashtra side, Dhule. Because there's 150 megawatt of solar, which has about 100 megawatt of crystalline and 50 megawatt of thin film. But the interesting thing is in the background,